Ever dreamt of building an app that could be the next big thing in the tech world, but coding just isn't your thing? Well, you're in luck because today I'm going to show you how to create powerful apps with zero coding, thanks to the magic of Anakin Workflow. In this video, I will walk through building 3 different types of powerful apps, including the Internet-Connected ChatGPT, art generator, and a real-time currency checker app from start to finish. By the end, you'll be able to recreate these apps on your own. Before we jump into building our first app, let's get acquainted with Anakin Workflow, the platform that will empower us to code without coding. First, visit Anakin.ai and start by creating an account. Then go to the Create Apps page and give your new app a catchy name. Be sure to select Workflow as the app type. Now you'll see Anakin Workflow's sleek interface, your new creative canvas. Think of it like mapping a road trip. In the User Input section, you'll define where your journey begins by identifying any necessary information. The Add Steps part plots your course from start to finish. Each step acts as a mile marker, carrying out unique processes to move the trip along. Finally, Output marks your destination, the end result of your app-building adventure. Imagine you have ChatGPT that gives you answers using both smart AI and live, up-to-date information. How to make this happen? Well, it is possible with the Anakin Workflow. First, we need to define our variables. In the User Input section, add 2 variables. The first is Google Search as a single-line text variable. The second variable will be GPT prompt as a long text variable. Next, click Add Steps and go to the Utility section. Find the Google Search tool and add it to your workflow. Then, in the search query, add the Google Search variable. After the Google Search step, add a new AI text generator step. Now we'll dial in the instructions for our AI assistant. Think of this as defining how it should perform, its parameters, and everything we set in this prompt section. The main task is to take the output from the first step, process it, and present it properly. Be sure to define all the variables. Before moving on, you may also want to explore and select an AI model. Finally, go to the Output section and set the output as Step 2 output. Now let's test the app we created. As you can see, it provided a detailed explanation in Markdown format with bullet points based on the most accurate search result. It also wrote a minimum of 300 words with factual details and provided a summary and related questions at the end, just as instructed in the prompt. You can now save and share the app for future use. If you directly ask ChatGPT for the current real-time exchange rate, it can't give you a proper answer. This is because GPT itself does not have real-time networking capabilities. To expand it with the ability, we can add a real-time exchange rate API to help it get current real-time information. This is also a highlight of the Workflow app. First, go to the User Input section. We'll need 3 variables here: source currency, target currency, and what are your needs, all defined as single-line text. Next, click Add Steps and select the API Request tool from the Utility section. This will be our key to accessing live exchange rates. Set the method to Post and enter the API URL. In the Params field, get into the specifics. Add 2 query params, the first being the access key that unlock currency data, and the second is format, which we'll set to 1. If you don't have an access key yet, don't worry. You can use the practice key mentioned below. Moving on, add a new step using AI text generator. Now we'll create a smart prompt that introduces your AI assistant as an exchange rate expert dedicated to answering users' questions. be sure to define all the variables. Then select your preferred AI model. As we near the finish line, set the output to display Step 2 Output. Time to test it out. Enter your currencies and needs, then generate. If all goes smoothly, save your new app to your workspace. Ever wonder how people are creating stunning images using AI? It's all about crafting the perfect prompt. The better prompt you provide, the higher quality result you'll get. But don't worry, prompt engineering is complex. And that's where AnakinAI has you covered. All you need to do is describe your imagination. That's it. Let's create an art generator app that handles the prompt work behind the scenes to produce breathtaking images from a simple text description. The process mirrors our text generator in many ways, but with a different creative flair. First, let's set the stage by defining our variables. We'll make About the Art our first variable as a single-line text field. This is where you'll summarize your dream artwork. Now, add a new AI text generator step to act as a prompt engineer. In the prompt, describe its role as a proficient prompt crafter for visual art with extensive knowledge of art and design. Then specify the About the Art variable. In the next step, we'll include the AI image generator. Here, we can select the model to generate the pictures. Go to the prompt section and specify the output from step 1. As we near the end, choose Image Markdown in the Output section for a polished presentation. Give your app a test run. If it performs flawlessly, save it to your workspace. And with that, you've completed the grand tour of how Anakin Workflow transforms you into an app-making master without any coding skills. Now it's your turn to take the wheel. Head over to Anakin Workflow, start crafting your dream app, and share your creations with friends. When they sign up for AnakinAI and utilize your apps, you'll earn 200 free credits. Aside from building your own, explore the countless AI tools customized for functions like writing, drawing, business, programming, sales, education, and more. AnakinAI acts as your one-stop shop to access all your favorite AI assistants, including GPT-4, Claude 3, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 3, Gemini, and over 200 pre-built AI apps. If you found this tutorial useful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel for more AI insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.